This incredible sleep aid uses a muscle stimulation technique to give you a night's sleep you've been dreaming of, a snoring-free. With a large portion of the population suffering from sleep deprivation because of their partner's snoring or even their own, it is about time a solution came to market. Most people with this problem have tried every trick to remedy their situation, including sleeping on their side, hypnosis, and even subpar products that don't work. These products fail to tackle the key area that stops people from snoring: the muscles. If you are one of the many people who are tired of being tired and want to prevent snoring once and for all, then you need to try SleepLab. It will be the best product you ever bought. A normal sleep aid has a low success rate, using limited technology to help only a handful of people. A lot of the time, they are basic designs and you wake up having had another bad sleep. Thankfully, SleepLab works from the first use, giving a snore-free experience like no other. The dated sleep aids on the market are not adjustable, which means you are the mercy of one setting. It either works or it doesn't. SleepLab can be changed via 36 different levels of intervention. Use the app to adjust how sensitive you wish the app to be. It will stop your snoring if you are a light snorer or heavy. This means you can change how severe each intervention is, which will prevent snoring. SleepLab is so advanced that the anti-sleeping device can be connected to your phone, making it customizable. Using Bluetooth, it can be tailored to work to your needs, helping you to find the balance that will ensure a night's sleep where snoring is not an issue. Using the app, you can monitor your sleep patterns to see where you snored more, and see if things such as your diet have played a part in the times you were snoring more. When you are traveling on a bus or train, snoring can be an annoyance for other passengers. To prevent this, your anti-snoring device has to be portable. Thankfully, SleepLab can go wherever you go, even if your business trips abroad or you are going on holiday. SleepLab fits into your luggage with ease, so you can enjoy a stress-free stay. SleepLab is so effective because it gently stimulates the soft tissue at the back of your throat. This causes them to contract. As a result, you will naturally adjust your breathing to stop snoring before it becomes a larger problem, and also reduces the severity. For some people, a nasal snore prevention kit feels intrusive and uncomfortable. Thanks to the soft cushioning that attaches to your throat, SleepLab can offer a cure that will not feel strange and will not move around with your movements. It only weighs 10 grams, making it barely noticeable as you drift off, knowing you will have a great night's sleep, and so will your partner. A lot of subpar products enter the market too early or based on loose research, leaving you with a bad experience. For you to get the rest you deserve, years of intensive research have been applied to create the most advanced anti-snoring device the world has ever seen. SleepLab lasts up to 20 hours at any one time when in use. There is also an impressive 50 hours of standby time, meaning it will last all night and won't let you down. Because it doesn't take long to charge, you will never have to go to bed without the trustworthy technology to ensure you get a snore-free sleep. The charging cable is included, along with the conductive strips. Out of every feature, this might be the least important, but it's still worth noting. The slick black design means it does not look out of place on your bedside table, ready to be used for another peaceful night's rest. SleepLab comes in a well-designed black box with an instruction manual to help you get the night's rest you deserve. You will wake up ready to tackle the day, feeling brand new. Click the link in description. Get today and stop snoring immediately.